Rich Dad Advisors, Loopholes of the Rich. Forward by Robert Kiyosaki. I've been to a few of his lectures in Los Angeles and New York City. He's the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Guide to Investing. Here he also talks about Nevada. Use of Nevada corporations, C corporations, page 121. Sorry, that's page 221. So go ahead and check out these areas yourself. Page 221, chapter 22, use of Nevada corporations, Nexus. What is this I keep hearing about Nevada corporations? Asked Ted. How come Ellen's corporation was a Nevada corporation, but mine had to be in my home state? The state of Nevada has built an entire industry around supporting corporations that are headquartered within the state. I replied, Nevada has no income tax, so corporations do not have to pay state income tax. Of course, they are subject to federal income tax, just as they would be in any other state. Additionally, the state of Nevada does not require disclosure of shareholders, so ownership is not readily apparent from state records. This all works to make Nevada the second largest incorporating state. The first is Delaware, which is more of an old-school eastern U.S. state of choice. Delaware has good case law protecting the corporations just like Nevada does. Delaware does have state income tax, but they have many more years of experience protecting the corporation. So for the person who is more concerned about asset protection, it's a good choice. You ask an important question, Ted, I continued. Why did Ellen's corporation incorporate in Nevada and yours did not? The reason is because of something called Nexus. What this refers to is where the income was earned. So we go into dual corporations, warnings, how can you move money into Nevada corporations? Description, two businesses are involved in factoring accounts receivable. They're the company, business, who has the receivables, corporation A, and the company who buys the receivables, corporation B. Procedures, second month thereafter, leasing personal property, management companies, summaries. Nevada warning, websites. In today's web-based world, it's difficult to say where Nexus occurs. In fact, the Supreme Court has declined to address the question entirely by saying that they will not attempt to determine the flow of electrons. Generally, Nexus is determined as occurring where sales occurs, where the company takes the order, receives payment, and fulfills the order. In reality, many sales are now made to a website. The website receives a payment, an outside source fulfills the order. It doesn't take much to move such a company to Nevada. Foreign corporations. One of the reasons we have so many great restaurants from around the world, China, Taiwan, Japanese, Persian, Turkish, every restaurant, steakhouses from Brazil, steakhouses from Portugal, steakhouses from Texas, we have corporations from across the nation and around the world all coming here to learn what they can about investing in corporations here in Nevada, especially web-based websites. Check out Loopholes of the Rich, page 226, to find out about why you want your web-based company here in Nevada.